back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my productive Sunday routine. So today is of course Sunday, and I just like to get myself ready for the following week. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I do to just, get ready for the week, recharge, relax, and just get my together. First things first, I like to make to-do lists. I'm that type of person. I like to have everything written down. Just having it down makes me more likely to do it, and my mind is everywhere at once. I'm constantly thinking about everything, so it's really easy for things to slip my mind. First things first, I have not had my cup of coffee for the day, so I need to make that real quick. I can't believe I became this person. I used to talk so much about people who were like, I need my coffee to function every day. I'm like, really, girl, do you? I just look forward to drinking my coffee every morning for the flavor. I think it tastes so good. I actually look forward to getting up in the morning and drinking my coffee. So I'm gonna make that real quick, and then we're gonna go into making my to-do list. Ooh, that burned my tongue, but that's some good stuff right there. First things first, we need to clean. So I'm gonna put clean, but I need to be specific because I have a lot of things that I need to clean. So I for sure need to clean my bedroom. It's pretty messy in there. My bathroom is atrocious. My closet, I've been putting it off forever. I need to clean my closet. Laundry, I already have towels in the washer right now, so we already got a head start on that. I have absolutely no food in this house, so we need to go grocery shopping. I usually make a list for that too. If you guys can see that little whiteboard behind me on my fridge, that's a place where I just kind of jot down things as I need them, so it's really helpful at the end of the week to see what I need. And I just need to shower and tan. Might as well add that to the list. I'm definitely not gonna forget to shower, but I'm just gonna add it. So it's already about lunchtime right now, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and eat before I get started. So as I mentioned earlier, I have absolutely no food in my house, but luckily I have one HelloFresh meal kit left, and it came in and saved the day. So this is what I'm making from HelloFresh. This is their veggie bibimbap bowl. It looks so good. It's like a bed of rice with these vegetables on top and then an egg in the middle. But you guys know I've been using HelloFresh for so long. I've never gotten a meal from HelloFresh that I didn't absolutely enjoy and love. They have the yummiest meals, and again, I've been using them forever, so I truly do love HelloFresh. They are partnering with me for today's video, so thank you so much, HelloFresh, for sponsoring your girl. So what I love about HelloFresh is that everything comes to you in this handy dandy little meal kit. So everything comes to you all measured out, and everything is pre-packaged, so you don't have to worry about forgetting something at the grocery store or having too much or too little of something. So it's really easy and convenient. Also, it just gets you creative in the kitchen. I would never come up with this meal by myself, and it makes me a better cook. I've realized now that when I cook without recipes, I know what flavors work well together. It's kind of like having your own little cooking class. They have 3 different meal plans you guys can choose from. They have the classic plan, the veggie plan, and the family plan. I personally get the classic plan because again, I do eat meat, and it's a lot more affordable than you think. HelloFresh is now from $6.99 a serving. They did give me an awesome coupon code to give to you guys. So if you guys want your first 8 meals free, that's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and use my code Nazanin80. I'll put it on the screen as well as down below. Let's get to cooking. This meal is honestly really simple. All I have to do is just chop up the veggies, cook up the rice, cook up the eggs, and then just throw it all together. So guys, I don't want to talk with my mouth full, but this stuff is so good. Good thing I got a clip of it all pretty because I like to mix up my food. I even added a little bit of kimchi to it that I had in the fridge, and you guys, this is so good. If you like Asian food, you guys are gonna love this. I kid you not, you guys, this is what my vanity looks like. I didn't like purposely mess it up for this video. This is actually how cluttered it is. When I put it off, if I don't clean my vanity after every time I do my makeup, this is how it ends up, and then I dread cleaning it, so. What's up guys, so I just finished up cleaning and now I'm about to head to the grocery store. So I like to do my shopping at two different places. I like to go to Trader Joe's and Ralph's. So I obviously go to Trader Joe's because you guys know they have a lot of like specialty items you can't really find anywhere else. So I like to go there first and do a lot of my food shopping, and then I'm gonna hit up Ralph's to get, you know, like toilet paper, paper towels, you know, stuff like that. So I'm about to head over there and I will see you guys once we get to the good old TJ's. Guys, I filled this cart up. Look at all this. Even got some flowers for the house. But yeah, I got a lot of good stuff. So here are the flowers I got from Trader Joe's. I just cut them and I arranged them in this little vase. It looks so pretty on my dining table. So now it is time to get ready for bed. I'm just about to take a quick shower and then just go straight to sleep. I'm so tired, guys. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. That is my little productive Sunday routine. Let me know down below what you do on your productive Sundays. I'd love to know. And if you aren't productive on your Sundays, let me know some things that you want to implement. Hopefully this video kind of inspired you to get done anything that you need to get done. That really helps me when I have something to do, like I really need to clean. I love watching cleaning montages on YouTube, and they honestly like inspire me to clean my room and get my life together. So let me know your thoughts down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye guys!